Hey Amazon shoppers, just want to do a quick review of this wireless trailer kit that I bought recently on Amazon. I just want to go over the unboxing of it, me actually showing it in use, give it a little bit of a demo, and just talk about my experience with it. So this is the box that the actual trailer kit comes with. It feels very nice. It feels like a box that you put like your tools in, like a socket set. And these are two of the straps that you undo to actually unlock the box. And now I'm going to show you what's actually inside. And this is everything that comes with it. It has a full instruction manual explaining all the features and just how it works all together. And this is like a safety rope, a metal safety rope that you actually attach to the lights. It says due to varying metal composure, magnetic strength may differ. So basically, if you're not attaching it to a trailer, something a little bit more niche, you can strap these ropes on to the actual lights themselves to make the actual lights themselves seem more secure. And then it comes with this bag with some extra parts in case you want to actually like permanently attach it to your trailer. Then to actually power these on, it uses these cables right here, USB and USB-C cable adapters. Also conveniently, it comes with a car outlet in case you want to charge these like while you're on the road, which I think is super sweet. And then you have the Bluetooth trailer attachment that you actually attach to the back of your car. It has the actual attachment for like trucks or more traditional, more like modern sort of trailer attachments that would be on the back of like trucks. Or you have this little plug right here that I'm going to attach to my Jeep because my Jeep's a little bit older, but thankfully it does actually have this extension here so I can properly connect it to my Jeep. So that's actually very nice that it comes with both the modern sort of plug and more of an old school sort of plug. And then we have both of the magnetic Bluetooth trailer lights. These trailer lights feel amazing on my hands. They're perfectly sized. They're about the average size of your trailer lights. And now I actually want to open these up and show you what's inside. So to open them up, you just undo this little lever right here. There you go. And then you have these two things right here. You have this little strap right here that you can undo. And that's where you can actually charge it using the USB-C cable. And to actually power it on, you just hold it down for a couple seconds. Or actually, no, you just hold it down instantly. And every single time you press it, it will switch to different modes that the trailer can go. Like you can do this like your turn signal, you can do brakes, you can do any sort of variation you want for whatever light that's actually down while you're on the road. So yeah, these trailer lights are awesome. If you're looking for a temporary / permanent solution for trailer lights, I highly recommend picking these up. They come fully charged, so even if you like immediately don't have like a battery in your trailer light, you can just immediately start using these right now. Even if like your trailer light is already set in place and you don't feel like actually taking it out, you can just attach it to like your wheel guard, or you can attach it to anywhere else metal or magnetic on your trailer. Also, you can use these on like kind of unorthodox and unusual areas. Like for example, on my Jeep, I decided to put it on my actual front bumper, and I think it gives it a little bit more of an interesting look. So yeah, they're very versatile for what you can do with them. They can be used as a permanent / temporary solution. All you do for the permanent solution is on the back right here, you can actually use the bolts and the nails actually coming with the trailer lights themselves, and you can use that for a permanent solution. So yeah, I highly recommend. There are like 4 different settings, so you can use this for literally any sort of like front lights, bumper lights, trailer lights. You can use this for anything. They're very versatile. The packaging is amazing. It comes with all this great stuff that, with the actual packaging. So I highly recommend these. But yeah, that's really my full review of these wireless trailer lights that I bought recently on Amazon. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.